Tired of trying to lose weight and not seeing the results you want? Well, today we're talking about a solution that could change your weight loss journey, Mitolyn weight loss. Stay with me until the end and discover how this supplement could be exactly what you've been looking for to reach your goals faster and more effectively. We know that the weight loss journey isn't easy. Strict diets, intense workout routines, and often slow or frustrating results. But what if there was a way to speed up this process in a healthy way? Mitolyn weight loss is an innovative supplement developed with powerful ingredients that can help your body boost metabolism, burn fat, and reduce appetite naturally. The formula combines advanced science and selected nutrients to promote weight loss effectively and without unwanted side effects. Mitolyn works on several fronts to aid weight loss. It stimulates thermogenesis, the process where your body produces heat, making you burn more calories even while at rest. Plus, it helps control your appetite, reducing hunger and preventing you from consuming extra calories throughout the day.
I'd been trying to lose weight for months, but nothing seemed to work. When I started taking Mitolyn, I noticed my energy increased, and I started seeing results faster. I lost 5 kilos in just 2 weeks.
Besides losing weight, I feel more energized and motivated to continue my fitness journey. Mitolyn helped me reach my goal.
To get the best results with Mitolyn, combine the supplement with a balanced diet and regular physical activity. Remember, there's no shortcut to success, but with the right help, you can make this journey easier and faster.
If you're ready to transform your body and reach the weight of your dreams, Mitolyn weight loss is the ally you need. Don't waste any time. Start your weight loss journey today.